Hello, space explorers. Welcome back to Discover with Momina, where we journey across the cosmos and uncover the secrets of the universe. Today, we're diving into the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, the most powerful telescope humanity has ever built. It's like a giant time machine, looking into the past and showing us how the universe began. What has it found so far? Get ready for some jaw-dropping discoveries that will blow your mind. When was JWST launched and why is it so special? Imagine packing the most advanced telescope ever built into a rocket. Well, that's exactly what happened on December 25th, 2021. The JWST launched on a mission to look at the universe like never before. It's hanging out at a spot called Lagrange Point 2, a cool 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. What makes it so special? Unlike the Hubble telescope, JWST works in infrared light, which means it can see through thick clouds of dust and spot things other telescopes can't even dream of. The oldest light in the universe. Get this, JWST has spotted galaxies that existed over 13.5 billion years ago. That's like turning on a flashlight and seeing the very beginning of time. These galaxies formed just after the Big Bang, and they're helping scientists understand how the universe was born and how it grew. Exoplanets, a peek at distant worlds. Did you know there are planets beyond our solar system? They're called exoplanets, and JWST is showing us what their atmospheres are made of. It found carbon dioxide on one called WASP-39b, which is 700 light-years away. It also spotted water vapor and clouds on others. Could there be life out there? JWST might just help us answer that question. The pillars of creation. Like you've never seen. Remember those spooky, beautiful columns of gas and dust called the pillars of creation? JWST gave us an updated look at this star nursery, showing brand new stars being born. The detail is so sharp, it's like stepping into a sci-fi movie. Galaxies that break the rules. Here's something wild. JWST found early galaxies that are way bigger and more developed than they should be. It's like discovering toddlers who already know algebra. These galaxies are making scientists rethink how fast things in the universe formed after the Big Bang. Quasars and black holes. Do you know what quasars are? They're these insanely bright objects powered by supermassive black holes, and JWST is spotting them from the early universe. These discoveries are helping us learn how galaxies and black holes grew together, like cosmic partners in crime. Amazing views of our solar system. And JWST isn't just about faraway galaxies. It's looking closer to home, too. It gave us stunning pictures of Jupiter with glowing auroras and storms, and even captured the faint rings of Neptune and the icy caps of Uranus. It's like getting VIP access to our own solar system. Stars being born and stars dying. WST has looked into places like the Tarantula Nebula, where stars are being born, and captured the last breaths of dying stars in places like the Southern Ring Nebula. These images aren't just pretty. They show us how stars live and die, and how they create the elements that make up everything, including us. What's next for JWST? This is just the beginning. JWST is designed to work for decades, and who knows what else it'll find. New planets, the building blocks of life, or even the first stars ever created. This telescope is rewriting what we know about the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is showing us a universe full of wonders and surprises. If you loved exploring its discoveries with me, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Discover with Momina, and share it with your friends who love space as much as we do. Let's keep looking up and asking big questions. See you in the next adventure, space explorers.